Now this one is designed for 18 and over, said 18 and over. Hey girl, won't you go home? Go home to your mama, your mama. Go home to your papa, your papa. You're too young to be my lover. To be say me lover, ooh, you must be 18 and over. I've been checking you out. But you are too young, girl. And a girl like you will cause worries into my world. 'Cause if I pick you up, girl, it's pain and misery for me. 'Cause you're a girl that is so rude as can be. Like boy, go home to your mama, your mama. Go home to your papa, your papa. You're too young to be my lover, not for me a lover. Oh, talking to your Sandra, Sandra. Talking to your Sherma, or even Marsha. Too young to be my lover? Ooh, yeah, girl, won't you go home? Go home to your mama, your mama. Go home to your papa, your papa. Check me 2 years later, check me 2 years later. Ooh, some of them talk about you. I did champion boobla, you. I did champion boobla. But you're young to be my lover, too young to be my lover, too young to be my lover. So girl, won't you go home? Go home to your sister, your sister. Go home to your brother, and go home to your auntie. Go home to your uncle. I can't love you, wooey. I can't love you. Can't you see? You can't love me. You're too young, can't you see? And your mama won't agree. And your papi don't want to see you loving me. Go home to your mama. Go home to your papa. Go home to your sister. You're too young to be my lover. Nananan lover. Check me 2 years later. You're too young to be my lover. I talking to your Sandra. Talking to your Sherma. Or even Marsha. Too young to be my lover, love. Too young to be my lover, my lover. Too young to be my lover, my lover. I just cannot take over.